Hello everybody! I'm happy because I'm here today to talk about a topic that I love, which is creating, building and publishing online courses. And when I say online courses, I don't mean live courses, but I mean all the training, all the programs that you can buy online that are going to be self-paced, meaning that you're going to study with your own time and with your own pace. Why do I love this training, this program so much? Because it gives to people an enormous flexibility, meaning that you study when you want, you learn when you can actually. So you don't need to be physically present in a certain place, you don't need to follow the classes on a certain schedule. So freedom, it's a lot in this case. And as a trainer and coach, it gives you also the opportunity to teach others people and to reach an audience that is present everywhere in the world, because again, you also do not need to be present in a certain place and following a certain kind of rigid framework. So I also think that especially now, in this phase that we are living, building an online course is really an opportunity. What's the meaning of opportunity? The meaning is that you have a chance to share with the entire world what you know, what is your expertise, what is your know-how. And some people, I talk with, they are a little bit afraid because they think they are not sufficiently prepared to teach online. They don't have a specific topic in mind yet. Other people on the other side are more preoccupied, so to say, with all the high-tech issues. How am I going to do it? What are the tools I have to buy? It's going to be expensive. I will have the pleasure in this training to show what was my experience. I started to build online courses in March 2019. And I didn't have any kind of experience in that field. Yes, I'm a trainer and coach since 2007, so this helped me in teaching, but didn't have experience with video camera, didn't have experience in building content that are going to be used then online. So I did basically everything by myself. I locked myself in my apartment. I read all the articles. I was watching on YouTube all the tutorials, so I learned how to build a simple video with a very basic tools and how to build a training that can be then, published on international marketplaces, like for example Udemy, where right now I have more than 22,000 students. My courses are published in other marketplaces also, and I'm also building my own academy, right? My own online school on teachable.com. So also, I'm saying this to make a point. You don't need to make a choice between marketplaces like Udemy and your own school. You can build absolutely both of them actually at the same time. And Udemy can be a great place, actually a great way to catch the attention of people, to build your social proof so that you are able to sell more and more courses in your own school, which is pretty much what I'm doing so far. Okay, so I hope with this video I gave you a little bit of information and a little bit of curiosity about what I'm going to teach in this program. We will start by see what is the topic that you are going to choose for your course. We're going to see who is your audience, what is the specific problem that you are going to solve, or how you can help actually your people. And this is a very important point, because sometimes we are in love with a topic and we believe or we assume that others are also, but that's not necessarily the case. So we need to find a way to convey what is our messages, what we want to do with people in a strategic way. Then you're going to see how you're going to create your program so that it could be suitable to be published online. Then we are going to explore what are all the tips, the strategies that you can use to market and sell your course. And then at the end, I will also show you what you can do to create with very simple steps an audio file. Okay, so this is what we will do. You could certainly do what I did, right? So learning step by step, all the things you have to do by yourself, going on the web and searching for the resources you need. Yes, you can do that, but certainly will take you a lot of time, okay? Like it happened in my case, and I'm also lucky because I'm a person that like to search on the web and spend some time, to learn. So I understand it's not necessarily the same for all the people. So by enrolling in this course, you will have also the advantage that I'm sharing with you my tips, my secrets, all the steps you should take to save your time, to go directly to the point, which means avoiding to lose and wasting your time to think about should I do this or should I do that, do what is essential to do, so that at the end you will have results. And by results I mean what? Your course done and published. How exciting is this for you on a level of from 1 to 10? If it's at least 7, then you should probably consider, to enroll in this training. If it's less than 7, then probably it's not what's really important for you at this point in your life, okay? I'm excited because I have the opportunity to share, and because for me these online courses, self-paced online courses, have been a way to build another route, in my career, in my job so far. And I really wish that this will be the same for you, and I believe this is going to be an opportunity, because you don't see enormous results immediately. You need to build, right, your social presence. You need to make sure you learn how to use, the tools. One course is absolutely not enough, okay? But you start, of course, with one single step, okay? And for me, being part of this journey with you, it's an honor, okay? So if you want more details on this training, click on the link you find on the comments below. If you also would like to chat with me to understand if this is really the training that is for you, feel free to contact me, okay? You can also write me an email. You can use katyusha@katyushabaggio.com. If by chatting with you I see that this training is not for you, I will be the first one to say so, okay? And this has to do mainly with your level of motivation, because yes, I will assist you, but of course you will have to work, you will have to put efforts and energy in this journey. So if your level of motivation is not strong enough, this is not a journey that is worthy for you to start now, okay? Thank you for your attention, and looking forward to have an amazing journey shared with you.